Hi, and welcome to my basement. Look what I found. Today, I am going to be taking apart one of these little solar-powered bobby thingies. It is faded, and also the flower broke off. And also I have two more, and I am bored out of my mind. Let's smash this open. Okay. Wow. Would you look at that? Edelweiss? Come here. I'm over here. No, that's... Hi, Pep. We have a guest star. Hi, Edelweiss. It looks like... So this is a magnet. This little thing here. And I'm guessing that a transistor or a capacitor, I think. How I think it works is it gets the power from here, from the sunlight, obviously, and then you can't really see them very well, but there are two tiny copper wires, there they are, that I broke off. It was totally on purpose, guys. The power comes here, it goes through a capacitor, but then, let me take these out, it would send an electric current to this copper coil in here. And the coil plus the electricity creates a magnetic field stuff, you know? And since there's already a magnet here, when it does that, it will push the magnet, and that's what creates the motion. Yeah. No, destruction. One of my hobbies.
Well, that concludes today's bout of destruction. I have no rocks. I don't remember where they are.